This will happen to your body if you take creatine. The human body produces creatine from a variety of amino acids. The organic amount, however, is typically insufficient to generate the desired results. A lot of people desire things like more muscle mass and improved performance. The good news is that creatine is one of the most researched ergogenic substances, which is where creatine comes into play. Today's supplement offers benefits that are supported by loads of scientific evidence and research. But what's the catch? It turns out that taking synthetic creatine has both benefits and drawbacks. So continue watching this video till the very end. The benefits include increased muscle size and strength since a creatine supplement provides your muscles with extra fuel, enabling you to work out more intensely and for longer periods of time. Such increases in power and sprint speed can reach 15%. Although creatine doesn't actually create muscle, it does increase the body's capacity to do so, producing significant gains in comparison to just completing resistance training. Without a doubt, creatine encourages strength growth and helps in the development of lean body mass in both men and women. Additionally, it is one of the few legal supplements that can increase muscle mass when used in conjunction with exercise, and it is the most efficient among those few legal supplements. Enhances one's athletic performance. The body is stimulated to produce more energy. And the more energy an athlete has, the harder they can train and the more they can accomplish. A study found that taking creatine supplements while engaging in high-intensity interval training enhanced fitness performance. It enhances the body's generation of phosphocreatine, which is necessary for the creation of energy. Additionally, research indicates that creatine is one of the best supplements for use during high-intensity exercise. Through creatine supplements, it is possible to raise the amount of the glucose transporter present in striated muscle and stop this protein from declining while the muscles heal from an injury. In other words, supplementing with creatine while recovering from an injury can improve the muscular tissue's capacity to effectively create energy and reduce tiredness, despite the fact that during periods of immobility, muscular strength and size can decrease. As you age, you naturally lose some muscle, so taking creatine can help you recover more quickly for both of these reasons. This offers you strength during rehabilitation, which helps you spend less time away from your exercise routine. The benefits are amazing, right? Then why don't you hear the counter side first? Despite how safe and thoroughly researched creatine is, there are still a few concerns about the supplement. Let's explore these concerns in further detail so you can make the right decision. The potential for weight gain when taking creatine is one risk and side effect you should be aware of. Water retention brought on by creatine supplementation leads to weight gain. This effect was largely noted in the loading phase, when high dosages of creatine were consumed, which can make some people feel bloated. Make sure to include creatine monohydrate in any supplements you add to your diet. Watch out for pre-workout supplements that are advertised as having creatine because many of them lack the minimum amount of creatine proven to be effective, making the powder the best and safest option. Now that you know the advantages and disadvantages, what do you think about using creatine? Will you take it or will you drop it? If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. To learn more fascinating facts about the human body, please subscribe to the channel Fitness Vault.